Hi everyone, welcome back to the Storytime family. How have you been? I hope you've been keeping well and staying safe with your loved ones at home. It's actually quite rainy here today, but overall pretty warm. Not complaining. I hope you've been having a good day too. Today we have a really fun book called Outstanding in the Rain, A Whole Story with Holes by Frank Biba. To own your own copy, you can purchase this book via the links in our description below. Now let's have a look and see what this book is all about. Ice cream, I say, my birthday surprise. Oh no, I scream, with tears in my eyes. I shout in her ear, this is one crazy ride. But that was her rear, I just about cried. Those sandwiches there, they look like the best. On the sand which is there, we stop and we rest. Ribbons and 4 candles. What can it mean? A gift and 4 candles with me in between. The night rain is just beginning to fall. The night train is coming. I hear its call. An iceman with a smile is coming this way. A nice man with a smile just made my day. Hope you enjoyed Outstanding in the Rain, A Whole Story with Holes. Keep up the good work. Keep reading. And if you enjoy this video, we would appreciate a like and do subscribe and click on the bell for more stories like this. We would also love to hear from you. You take care now. We'll see you back here soon. Bye.